September 8, 2023, the day that I quit my job. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-special na pangyayari. Like, everyone's doing that. Everyone seeks for a better opportunity in a different company. Pero kasi yung sa akin iba, wala akong lilipatan na ibang company. Meron akong pinapakinggang DJ sa radyo dati at meron siyang sinabi na tumatak sa isip ko. Sabi niya, life doesn't have a reset button. But the best part about it is, there is always a chance. Naging okay naman eh. Karoon ng ilang sponsorships, nawala yung stress ko, panandalian. Naranasan kong gawin yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin. At higit sa lahat, mas naging masaya ako.
Siguro yung right thing na sabihin, huwag kayong magbabasa sa
She's got glow on her face, a glorious look in her eyes. My angel of light.
Pero meron lang isang problema na humahad lang sa mga ginagawa ko. Yun ay ang financial. I know from the start naman na this will take ton of effort and time. Pero ganito pala, sobrang hirap, sobrang time consuming, and sobrang nakaka-discourage minsan. That was the reason why I got back to applying for a software engineering job. I spent months sa pag-apply, preparing myself for unnecessary coding assessments, late coding everywhere, and hoping na makapasok sa mga medyo malalaki at sikat na kumpanya dito sa Pilipinas. And even outside the Philippines, naisipan ko din mag-abroad. Walang tigil na pag-apply, pag-submit ng resume, pag-revise ng resume, research ng mga country na pwede kong puntahan, at after ng maraming job applications, rejected lahat. That's why I continued applying for local companies. Maybe it's not yet time, di ba? So instead na sinasayang ko oras ko sa pagdadalamhati doon, I just kept on improving. Despite of so many rejections, I finally did it. Hey guys, meron akong update. So, I passed the technical interview. Ito yung I got accepted in a company. Fast forward to today, I move here. So, it's a new apartment, it's a new life, it's a new chapter. Kakatapos ko lang mag-gym. Plano kong gawin is mag-assemble ng table, maglilinis. Dito ko balak ilagay yung salamin. Shining in the sky, there ain't a cloud in sight. It's not raining, everybody's in the lake. Merong hack dito eh. Nakikita nyo yung mga, itong gilid niya. Kapag yan, pag gumasgas dito sa pader, magkakaroon niya ng mark. So, hindi na natin kailangan ng lapis. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung madikit yung mga ganito. Alam ko kasi, pag ganitong mga tape, hindi sila masyadong madikit. Baka matanggal agad. Why you had to hide away for so long? Why did we go wrong? Tatanggalin natin ito. Wala kasing sabitan yung banyo ko, kaya dito ko balak ko. Hey you with the pretty face, welcome to the human race. The celebration is still on for this rock. And today is the day we itong mga gamit na to, at like itong plate na to, kasama to dun sa pagiging semi-furnished niya. Actually, ang dami nito. Tignan nyo, no? Ayan lahat. Ayan. Ayan lahat. 6 na piraso lahat. Tapos merong maliliit. Ang problem lang pala dito, kapag yung basa, no, tutulo dito. So, magiging messy dito, tapos hanggang dito sa flooring. So, kailangan ko ng pang basahan na lang siguro. Yan. So, it's a new chapter. Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Grabe. Naalala ko nung pinapangarap ko pa lang to. Ngayon, I am really living the life that I want. Stress-free life at mas masayang buhay. Couple of lessons I learned from this journey. Number 1, never chase things. Attract them. Number 2, attracting happiness is better than attracting money. Let happiness be your main reason for doing it more than any other reasons. That's all for now. Keep on grinding. I'll see you next time.